Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Lithonia LED Floodlight. It took me about 10 minutes to install it. Follow my instructions and you can do it too. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. We have installation instructions with wire nuts and screws and a floodlight itself. The floodlight already comes with pre-installed mounting bracket that we need to remove before installation. I am recording this video, so it's a bit difficult to remove this mounting bracket with just one hand. And we have wire nuts, different sizes of screws for junction box and a rubber plug. You can remove the protection plastic from the wire with just your fingers. Make sure the power is turned off. Let's install the mounting bracket. Install the mounting bracket to the junction box using provided screws. Loosen the green screw on the mounting bracket. Take the bare copper wire and push it under the green screw, making a little loop. Tighten the green screw when the ground wire is in place. Using wire nuts, connect the bare copper wire to the green ground wire. Connect two white neutral wires together using wire nut. And connect black hot wires. Tuck all wires inside of the junction box. Align fixture over junction box and secure the mounting bracket by tightening center mounting screw. Insert rubber plug into center hole. Rotate the lights in the position you want. This is the best position of lights for this location. Turn on power to verify success of your installation. To activate a floodlight, I'm covering it with a carton box. Also, on this model, you can set brightness dial. You can set daylight sensor dial. I chose the last one for dusk to dawn function lights on at night when it is dark outside. You can also allow lights to activate in daytime or for dusk to dawn function when your surroundings have any bright lights. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.